Today on the chopping block, I have to fix this piece for a lawnmower. So, busting out the titanium welding table. I just picked this up. So, I'm gonna weld this up. And I purchased the YesWelder foot pedal. And I bought the TIG whip for the DP200. So, I am gonna test out this lift TIG feature on it. You can see it connects right into your argon bottle, comes right up through here, and then your TIG gun has the nozzle. So the thing that you have to be careful when you're TIG welding with this is it is lift start, and lift start is always live. So if your piece is grounded and you put your torch down and it touches the table or whatever's grounded, it will start the arc. So just be mindful of that. And I'm gonna get you set up and we'll weld this thing back together. Gotta try to get that. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to get it standing up, because welding is all about being comfortable. There is nothing comfortable about this. Alright, there we go. Not the prettiest, but it should hold for what it's meant to do, mow the lawn. So I'm gonna clean it up and get it painted and call it a day. That looks like absolute dog crap, but not bad for my first time with the lift TIG. The foot pedal only allows you to control your amperage. It doesn't control your start stop. So yeah, but it's a learning curve. I do have my TIG 200P that I'll probably use, and I'll mess around with this every now and then for small jobs like this just to learn. So I'm gonna paint it up and get it ready to go back to its owner. Practice will make perfect, and if I don't get perfect, at least I can use my other TIG machine that has high frequency start. There it is. I'm gonna paint it. I don't know why I can't get it to break without leaving that little crater. I don't know. I tried walking it up the filler rod. Didn't work. If anybody has any tips or tricks with lift TIG on how to get better at breaking the arc, drop it down in the comments below and give me some feedback, good, bad, or you can tell me I suck, or whatever you want to say. Appreciate it. Thank you.